Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. And friends, Infosys written test result is out today and the interview is tomorrow. Here you could see. So dear candidate and recruitment drive, congratulations, you have cleared the test. The test was today, 4th of October for many of the students. Thank you for participating in Infosys off-campus drive for the role of system engineer. Congratulations, you have successfully cleared the test process and have been shortlisted for the interview. The interview is 5th of October, mode in person, and reporting time is 8:30 a.m. Here you see. So interview date 5th of October, mode in person, and reporting time 8:30 a.m. DY Patil of Technology, Sant Tukaram Nagar, Pimpri, Maharashtra, right? Okay. Now, friends, one more thing which I wanted to show you. So, see, this is our course student. Sir, he had already bought this Infosys crash course when 1st of October, just 4 days before, okay? And, sir, I have cleared the test. Here you could see interview date 5th of October, mode in person. Thank you. Sir, I have cleared the test. Thank you. Here you see. Sir, good afternoon. I used to watch your videos. I have cleared aptitude test of Infosys. The interview is on 5th of October. And thank you for the aptitude video and the preparation kit. So friends, that's what I wanted to tell you. The result will not come simply, okay? We have put lot of effort in Infosys crash course. And that is the reason now you are seeing the result in the Infosys written test. And now also if we have Infosys written examination, go and get right now this Infosys cracker course. You will never regret. You will come and say that, sir, I have cleared the test because of you. Anyway, now I will tell you how to prepare for the interview. Okay, so in this video we will discuss Infosys interview experience, and we will also discuss the 5 common mistakes to avoid in Infosys interview. Okay, because you have only 1 day time, so you do not have much things to practice. Okay, now friends, see the questions, how it will come. So it will always start with your introduction. So tell me about yourself. See, any interview, it always starts with tell me about yourself. Okay, and then what was your contribution to project. See, your introduction should be very much brief, and you should tell what is the quality in you. Like, tell me about yourself. So good morning, sir, thanks a lot for giving me opportunity to introduce myself in front of you, right? See, why you are telling this? Because we wanted the interviewer to be like maybe little impressed. Okay, so thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. Okay, and then you can start. My name is Pratik Srivastava. I have completed my graduation in computer science engineering from ABCD College, right? And then you can tell about the language which you know. So I'm proficient in C, Java, or I have a good command over these languages. And in one line you tell about your project. I have done a project related to artificial intelligence. Then you tell about any kind of achievements if you have done. Don't talk about your parents, your hometown, till then they don't ask. Okay, so give them the information which is required, and then they will ask you, so what was your contribution in the project? Okay, was this project done alone or with many people? So all those things you should be aware of. Why OOPS concept was introduced? OOPS concept is very, very important. So OOPS and SQL, many people these questions will be asked. So at least these 2 concepts you should be keeping in the mind. Okay, and then so you can say OOPS provide a clear modular structure for program. OOPS makes it easy to maintain and modify existing code. OOPS provide a good framework for code libraries where supplied software components can be easily adapted and modified by the programmer. Code reusability. It is suitable for real world problems and real world work. Okay, what is file handling in C? So file handling is the storing of data in the file using a program. Okay, so this is one of the experience which I am sharing with you. Okay, what are the different access specifier in C++? What is data structure? What are the different types of sorting algorithm? So what are the trending technology in IT? And do you have any offer in your hand? They will ask you. Do you have any question at the end? They will ask you about Infosys, what you know about Infosys. Okay, so what do you know about Infosys? Who is the current CEO? What is the head count? Where is the headquarter? Okay, so if you'll ask ChatGPT will also tell you, right? So about Infosys also you read. So if you'll type on Google, let me do this for you. So if you go here and type Infosys Wikipedia you type, okay, Wikipedia. So if you type then Infosys, okay, now it is okay. So headquarter is in Bangalore, Karnataka. So Infosys headquarter is where? Bangalore, okay, Bangalore, Karnataka, and training center is in Mysore, okay. And then okay, so Nandan Nilekani is the, so Nandan Nilekani is the chairman. So Nandan Nilekani is the chairman, okay. And then their revenue you leave, number of employees. So number of employees is 3,23,578. This is as of March 2025. It might have increased or decreased after that, okay. And headquarters founders in Narayan Murthy, Nandan Nilekani, Chris Gopal Krishnan, and SD Sibulal, okay. And it was founded on 2nd of July 1981. 2nd of July 1981. So it's around 44 years ago in Pune, India, right? So some of the information you need to keep in mind. Friends, see, clearing the Infosys interview is also a art. In one day you can read this, and the price also we have kept it very nominal, 240 rupees, okay. So Infosys interview preparation material for all streams with PDF and recorded. So here content, if you go and see, so mainly you have to see this particular comprehensive interview material, okay. So this comprehensive interview material, branch specific study material, important coding question, HR interview question and answer, interview experiences also we have kept, plus important tips, okay, CS subjects, OOPS, DBMS, OS, SDLC concept, basic programming question in C, C++, Java or Python. 240 rupees. See friends, results are coming, and result comes only when you put the effort in the right direction, okay. So this link will be given in the description. Infosys interview material, don't think much, many people will be selling this, okay. But you see, everything is organized, and what is required, that will be delivered to you, okay. So don't think twice, go ahead and start your preparation with the interview material. So read for 3-4 hours, whichever you think the important questions I explained you, right. So in this particular experiences, this covers everything. That means you should know about data structure, okay, LinkedIn, linked list, queue, stack arrays, okay, trending technology like artificial intelligence, machine learning. So we also have the videos inside the course, okay. So in this interview courses, right, so we have also kept AI videos, okay. So I mean, in interview, what are the questions they can ask from AI, that also we have covered. Anyway, now friends, let us see the 5 common mistakes which you have to avoid in this Infosys interview, right? Oh, both are looking good, huh? You guys are like, you guys will become like this only, Ranjit. Oh man, see, okay. So here let us see. So what is the first point? The first point is dress code. See, because it's an in-person interview, so dress code should be proper, right? See, you shave your beard, don't go. See, now I was sleeping and result came, I automatically woke up and directly landed here itself, okay. So don't do that. So if you have beard, please shave it, and don't keep it like this. Okay. So obviously you should be like formals. So if you're a guy, then definitely, so formal dress you wear. See, even for girls or boys, shirt and pant, okay, that is a good combination. Shirt and pant is a good combination. And one more thing, those who have not received the result, so they will have to wait. They will be also receiving. Infosys has started sending the results now only, okay. So friends, formal dress for girls, even salwar and dupatta is also fine. So if you're a girl, salwar and dupatta is salwar suit and dupatta is fine. And even you can go with, for girls and boys both, formal dress. So no need of coat, no need of blazer, all those things is not required, okay, because you are not going for a company. I mean, if you are not 10 years experience and then you are going for an interview, okay. For a fresher, this is enough. Then avoid t-shirt. So don't wear t-shirts like this, either girls or boys. Please do not do that, okay. Tie your hair. So see, here you see the hair, it's better, right? Your face, see now, one eye is only not visible, right? So make sure that your hair is tied up, okay, and your face is clearly visible, correct, like this. So this is one correct way of you see, this is a correct way where hair is tied up and there is a smile on your face here. So for bringing a smile, you have to smile, okay. fine. Now then you can save beard. Salwar suit for girls will work fine. Shirt for boys, don't look here and there. During the interview, आंख में आंख डाल के बात करना है, बोल क्या क्वेश्चन है. So that kind of confidence. See, confidence is a key to crack the Infosys interview. One is confidence, other is gender. If your gender is female, very good chance. If your gender is male, then confidence and knowledge both is required. Okay. If you're a girl, confidence and little knowledge will play. Sir, क्या बोल रहे हो? कुछ भी बोलते रहते हो. Okay. Anyway, that is, I mean, a different part altogether. But confidence plays a very important role, and knowledge, definitely knowledge also should be there. But confidence overtakes knowledge. Okay. Chalo bhai, next one. This is the first mistake, dress code where we do. Now this one, friends, during the interview, right? So what you have to do, see, with knowledge, many people you will see, they will have knowledge, but if you ask them to speak for some time, in front of 10 people, in front of 20 people, or in a classroom or something, they won't be able to do that. Okay, fine. So many times knowledge is there, but you will not be able to express yourself. So during the interview, friends, please do subscribe the channel. We are putting a lot of effort. So one like will definitely motivate us a lot. So during an interview, you please keep smiling. Smiling means, Acha, what is oops? Object-oriented programming language. Smile. You have to smile. So keep a smile on your face. See, with whom you want to interact, Mr. Bean or Ranjit? So obviously you want to interact with Mr. Bean because of his smiling face, Kapil Sharma, right? So with the smiling people, with the hell, you might have heard uske smile ke chakkar mein kitne log chale gaye, right? So please keep a smile on your face. Okay, and don't, I mean, not unnecessary smiles, but when you are interacting, so it's very human tendency that we always try to interact with the people who is little happy. Okay, so it does not take anything from you. If you smile, nothing is gonna happen. Okay, it shows confidence in your face. If you ask me some question, okay, so explain me the difference between C++ and Java, and then I smile. C++ starts with C, Java starts with J. So it doesn't take anything from you, right? But the definition what I said, they will kill, I mean, they will beat you like anything. Okay, people generally tend to interact with happy people, more interaction, and it relaxes you. So when you smile, see, when you do anulom vilom, gahri saans le, abe smile kar. So it relaxes you, right? Okay. Confidence and communication skill is the key to clear the interviews like Infosys. Okay. Third one, never say no in the interview. Okay. See, the meaning is, so if they ask, I mean, for this question, now if they ask you, what is function overloading? Okay. What is function overriding? Now, if you don't know, then also you are saying no. Then also you are saying yes, yes, yes. If you see this, when you have to say no, this is for the particular questions. Are you willing to relocate? Yes, sir. कहाँ भेजोगे? बोलो सर कहाँ भेजोगे आप? मुंबई, चेन्नई, कन्याकुमारी, wherever you want to send, you send me, I will go. Because that guy who is taking interview, no, he does not have any idea that where you will be put in. Will you be able to work on weekends? Yes, sir. 24/7 into 365 days, I'll work. All holidays, all Saturday, Sunday. Can you work under pressure? From my childhood, I am working under pressure. Okay. So give some example. Always try to explain something with the example. Can you spend more time, more than 8 hours on weekends, weekdays? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Now, see how if some girl says to you, will you marry me? Yes, yes, yes. So all these questions you think that somebody is telling, will you marry me? Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Answer yes, 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 yes during the interview. Okay, don't bluff with the interviewer. Interviewer के साथ bluff नहीं करना है. Don't cheat with the interviewer. So if you don't know something, tell you don't know. Now suppose he asked you something, what is pointer? Sir, pointer comes in C. Pointer is not there in C++. As far as I remember, pointer is not there in Java also. Arey bhai, he asked you what is pointer. Now you started bluffing with him, okay? And then he started telling, sir, pointer is a constant which is used. See, you are telling wrong answer with confidence. So don't bluff. The interviewer who is sitting, at least he know what he is going to ask and he knows the answer also. So if you don't know something, tell you don't know. Have attended a training of, see, many people will see in the resume. in the resume if you'll see, so have attended training of AIML and mentioned in resume that they have knowledge of AIML. पूछ भाई कहाँ से पूछना है, नीचे से लेकर ऊपर तक बताऊंगा, but पता कुछ है नहीं. Project is not only done by you, so make sure you know end to end. Many of you have not done the project end to end. There were many people along with it, so try to gather all the information, know end to end of the project, and then explain your part. Okay, then don't leave half cooked answer. So half cooked answer don't leave in the exam. Who is this? Oh, I am myself only. So this will decide your whole interview. It can completely spoil your interview. What is microprocessor? Started telling about types. So friends, in the interview, during the interview, so you answer what is asked to you. What is microprocessor? Now you explain what is microprocessor. Okay, don't start with the types, because if you are starting with the types, if you are adding unnecessary information, then the questions will again be created from that unnecessary information. So avoid all those things. So what is a pointer? Your answer should be complete. If they asked what is a pointer, so pointer is a variable which contains the address of the another variable. You give an example. Suppose if you know, see, try to explain everything with some example. So if suppose there is a house, there is another house, this house has the address of another house, so something like that, you explain him clearly, and that shows you have deep knowledge. That is the reason, that is the only thing. Interview is not going to be difficult, but each and every answer of your matters a lot in the interview. So please make sure that you perform or you explain things well. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care. And we will add some interview experiences as well.